Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you 8 latest defense updates. Number 1, F4 upgrade to push MRFA tender cost. The Indian Air Force ambition to bolster its fleet through the multi-role fighter aircraft tender might see a significant increase in cost due to Assault Aviation's transition to the Rafale F4 configuration. A Ministry of Defense official has hinted that the capital cost for procuring 110 Rafale jets could rise substantially if the IAF opts for this advanced variant with technology transfer. The benchmark for this projection can be traced back to the UAE's deal for 80 Rafale jets, which was valued at $16 billion. Adjusting for a 5% annual inflation rate over the last 4 years, this equates to approximately $17.6 billion in today's term. Next, unveiling advanced composite nose cone for Tejas Mk2. In a significant milestone for India's indigenous aerospace development, the DRDO recently showcased the first of its kind composite nose cone developed for the Tejas Mk2 program. The event held in Pune was graced by the presence of the DRDO chief, marking a proud moment for India's defense technology sector. The newly developed nose cone or radome has been meticulously crafted to meet the rigorous demands of modern aerial combat. A sneak peek at the project confirmed that the radome employs high purity quartz, which is known for its ideal structural reinforcement capabilities in high performance composite materials. This choice of material underscores the radome's exceptional strength to weight ratio and its ability to minimize electromagnetic interference, critical for the performance of onboard avionics. Next, QRSAM deal to be concluded within a year. Manoj Jain, the chairman and managing director of Bharat Electronics Limited, a Navratna Defense Public Sector undertaking, has expressed optimism regarding the finalization of a significant rupees 25,000 crore deal for the Quick Reaction Surface-to-Air Missile, that is QRSAM system. The deal is expected to be concluded within the next 8 months to 1 year, aiming for an end date before March 26, 2026. This announcement comes at a pivotal time for the QRSAM program, which has been under scrutiny for its performance and reliability. Back in 2023, it was reported that the system needed further testing in 2024 to enhance mission reliability and address some technical glitches. Next, new VHF radar, a game changer against stealth threats. BEL has recently delivered a groundbreaking VHF radar system to the Indian Armed Forces, marking a significant advancement in the nation's air defense capabilities. This new radar, equipped with an active electronically scanned array antenna, is specifically engineered to detect and track low observable, that is stealth aircraft at ranges up to 200 kilometers, providing critical early warning against stealth threats like China's J-20 or the J-35A, which Pakistan is reportedly planning to acquire. Stealth technology primarily works by reducing an aircraft's radar cross-section in higher frequency bands like X-band, where most modern air defense radars operate. However, VHF radars use much longer wavelengths, which interact with the aircraft's structure differently. Next, Switch Mini UAV showcased in Sanjay. In a significant stride towards enhancing India's defense capabilities, Eagle Forge Technology Limited has proudly announced that its Switch Mini UAV has featured in the integrated battlefield surveillance system named Sanjay. This system, a collaborative effort between the Indian Army and Bharat Electronics Limited, represents a leap forward in modern warfare technology. The Switch Mini UAV, known for its agility, endurance, and high altitude performance, has been certified as fit for Indian military use, a testament to its reliability and effectiveness in real world combat scenarios. Next, deal for advanced surveillance equipment. In a significant move to enhance the surveillance capabilities of the Indian Army, the Ministry of Defence has signed contracts with RRP S4E, a leading supplier of optical and thermal imaging technology. The agreements, totaling $11.6 million, will see the supply of long-range cameras and thermal imaging sites designed to boost the operational effectiveness of ground forces in both day and night conditions. Viraj 28B camera is state-of-the-art long-range observation system, weighs less than 9 kg and integrates a day camera with a thermal imaging sensor. The day camera boasts full high-definition 1080p resolution, offering a 30x optical zoom and 16x digital zoom for detailed surveillance. Its companion thermal imaging sensor, with a resolution of 640 into 480p and 6x optical zoom, allows for effective target acquisition in low visibility or night conditions. The Viraj 28B can detect, recognize, and identify a person at distances of up to 4 km, 1.3 km, and 678 meter respectively. Next, eVTOL powertrain development. In a significant move towards advancing the electric vertical takeoff and landing sector in India, auto component manufacturers Sona BLW Precision Forging Limited has inked a memorandum of understanding with UB Flight Technologies Private Limited, known as the E-Plane Company, on January 29th this year. This collaboration aims to innovate and development powertrain solutions for eVTOL aircrafts and drones. Next, India-US working on PM Modi's early visit, dates being finalized. India and the United States are working towards an early visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the US to further deepen India-US comprehensive global strategic partnership, the Ministry of External Affairs said on Friday. Thank you.